This one comes from New York, and let's begin. Interesting, flip face remote control Thomas, but it comes as it is, missing battery cover, no remote. Okay, now we have Henry, good coupling, wires are snapped, yellow face, battery terminals okay, and it's new decals. This one is Tomy. Next we have James. Oh, it's the tender is broken. There's a chipped part here. Coupling okay. Yellow face to Tomy. 2002. Here it says 1994. But it's good. We can do this for parts or for custom models. Now we have hard-base coach. This one is the Hitoy Company 2006. You can see the battery inside. Roof look okay. Let's start with the good ones. Douglas, yeah, original. Hitoy Company, Donald Douglas, 2007. I can feel the batteries in there. Next, Douglas with a factory error decal. Yes, it is Douglas. Missing one side roll. Donald Douglas, 2007. I guess today's video again is going to be just an unboxing. Sorry guys, there is so many coming, and this is one single box. Also, this is a tipping car. I think I've seen this in what was that, in Thomas and Timberyard or something. Let me know in the comments. Comes with Neville 2005 Tomy, Neville Standard. Just need a little wash. Then we have a red flatbed truck, Hitoy Company. Next one is Freddy. This Freddy looks good. Decals are okay with few marks. Fearless Freddy, Hitoy Company, 2006. Next we have a Duke. This is Tomy 1996. Here it says 1997. Missing side rods. Decals are in good condition actually. Now we have a Thomas model. Chipped corner. But the rest is okay. For a custom model, Tomy 1992, 2002. Custom model, Timothy DeGo's engine. Next we have Scarloy. I can feel it's heavy. Hitoy Company, 2006. Most of these engines need a wash or something. Not the ones with decals. Next we have Diesel 10. Yep, Diesel 10 right there. Looking good. Yep, good. Tomy 2004. Gordon's Express passenger car or coach. Cheap. I mean, it needs a front coupling. We have another Thomas. This one looks good. Hitoy Company 2006. No batteries. We have another Stepney. I've been getting a lot of Stepneys recently. Yes, most of these Stepneys need some touch up. You know, the roof, I mean the funnel and the corners always get scratched. We have Rusty. There you can see the right color. I mean, the light gives more exposure. That's why it looks, you know, pale colors. So this one is Tomy 2005. Remember previous videos, only Mattel? A bunch of little cargos, call, whatever. That's for a take along or take and play. This one is a crate box. Great, let me know in the comments. Where was this coming? In which set comes this? This one is milk cargo, orange barrel. oil barrels. I think this is for timber yard, whatever. This is part of, I think, if I'm not mistaken, from Madge. Madge. Let me know in the comments. This specific thing is magnetic. This crate, I think, if I don't mistaken, it's part of, is this metal? Yes, it's metal. It's part of Harold Rescue, something like that. I don't know. Then we have green caboose or brake van. I think in some countries they call it brake van. We have Scarloy for parts. Tommy missing the. Does this thing even work? I'm gonna try this one. This one does not come with cover or anything. Yeah, I think I heard something. I don't think I'm going to be able to fix them right now. I'm just gonna unbox. Anyways, for parts, we have Percy Heat Toy Company. Good. This owner looks like it bought all the Heat Toy Company models. Heat Toy Company. And then we have a solder mail. This is part of Percy, I think. Needs a front coupling. Oh yeah, this is a good one. Murdoch. Normal tear and wear. Needs a rear coupler. It looks good. Oh, how in the world? This should go upside down. I mean, this is upside down. Needs to go, the opposite direction. So anyways, now I gotta open the White Shot 2009 Mattel Thomas. You can tell by the face. Yes, it is Thomas Mattel. This one goes here. Now we have another Boko. Previous video was another Boko with a lot of wear on this. The decals were torn. Great, excellent. The next one, Sir Handle. This definitely good decals. Previous video was a mess. Heat Toy Company. Look at this, doesn't have any year stamped in here. I don't know why. Now we have Gordon. This Gordon looks decent. Actually, look at the decal. Very good, actually. Good for the edge. This one, Heat Toy Company. Look, telling you, this all this lot is Heat Toy Company. That is nice. I'll put it right there. Next, we have Edward. Good coupling. Comes with the original battery cover. Oh, come on. I need to loosen this thing with a heat gun. Also Heat Toy Company. I haven't had one of these in years. I don't know what this is part. This is part of some sort of small hopper car. Then we have a spare part Gordon's tender, very old. I'm telling you, if I remove the screws, this is gonna crack. And this is only good for parts. The wheels and battery terminals. That's the only part we can use. Next, look at the face. Remote control Percy. If I don't have a remote for this, I might turn it into 4.5 volts. Stay right there. Next, we have Emily. Heat Toy Company. Yeah, all this lot Heat Toy Company. Most of them. Yep, Heat Toy Company. Emily. Remember, I didn't say Molly. I used to confuse these guys. These girls. Emily and Molly, I used to confuse them. A little dusty. But it looks good, actually. Good, everything excellent. James for parts. Look. For parts. Okay, let me move this out of the way. I'm going to put the engines here. We're almost done. And another Percy. I'm not going to say it. But good. This one is good. Now we have Molly. I remember I got that tender in the previous video. Now I have the engine. Good. Another whiff. This one looks very good. Oh, it does have a scratch roof top, but the decals are good. Yep. Another the same brand, Spencer, looking good. It just needs of course I need to wash the entire engine, repaint the face. Good tender, everything good. And I think we have the last one is maybes. It just need a little touch up. These eyebrows. Other than that, a little cleaning. So guys, I'm going to check every engine the next couple videos. Few videos coming soon. I had a lot of unboxing. Unfortunately, I had no time to do this in the same video. We are done with that box. All right, thanks for watching.